Today's date is, I think, today is, I think, 8 or 9. Can you say the date? What is the today's date? I think 8th. 8th, 5th, 26. 8th, 5th, 26. Is the today's date. 8th, 5th, 26. That is the today's date. So now I will go to the problems one by one. Right? Whatever problems are left out. So let me do that. Let me do that. Whatever problems are left out, let me do that. So see the problem. Tuple T is equal to 87, 64, 76, 76, 95.33. Next one is 76. Next one is EPT. Something like that. So I want to say from this problem, repetition also allowed. In the tuple, repetition also allowed. Repetition also allowed. And one more, different data types also allowed. Everything like list only. List is mutable. This is immutable. This is the only difference. Everything is same. List is mutable. It is immutable. This is the only difference. This is the only difference. Try to understand. T is equal to like this. Okay, fine. Something I kept. That is absolutely okay. Afterwards, you can say print 1 comma T. So just print it. It will print as it is. Whatever way you given, it will print as it is. 64, 76, 95.33. Next one is 76 EPT. So it will print as it is. Nothing change. Nothing much. Now, if you okay, see the next one. I think this is the major one. T of 0 is equal to 87 there. Now I want to keep here 43. Okay, that is fine. Next one, after completion of this, so please listen. After completion of this, I'm doing this. T is equal to bracket. T is equal to bracket. Next one, print 2 comma uh, type of T. That's okay. It may be T1. Now next one, T3 is equal to 1, 2, 3. Print 3 comma type of T3. Print 4 comma T3. Next one, L is equal to square bracket, print 5 comma type of L. Careful. Next one, print 6 comma T dot index T dot index of 95.33. print 7 comma t dot count 76. So these are the printf statement. Can you go ahead one by one? Can you go ahead one by one? What will be the answer of this problem? Totally 7 printf statements. Totally 7 printf statement. Can you go ahead one by one yourself? What will be the answer you are thinking? Some tuple is given. Afterwards printed. So I already printed. T of 0 is equal to T3. T of 0 is equal to 43. T of 1 is a empty bracket, empty tuple. Type of T1. T3 is equal to 1 to 3. Type of T3. Print T3. So T3 will be printed. L is equal to square bracket. Type of L. Yeah, go ahead, everyone. Please try what is the answer of this problem. Everyone should try it. Everyone should try. What will be the answer of this problem? Everyone should try this. Everyone should try. Everyone should try this. I request everyone try. Yeah. So can we solve it? Can I solve the problem? Can I solve the problem? I given enough time to you. Can I solve? Can I solve it? Let me know. What is your answer? Please write in the comment section. What is your answer? Can you write in the comment section? Write in comment section what is your answer. Everyone, please write in the comment section what is your answer. What will be your answer? Sir, this is my answer, sir. If you say right, I will be very happy. Now let me go ahead. Because of you people tried, let me give answer. I am giving. Can you see this one? First printf everyone okay. First printf everyone okay. Right? First printf everyone okay. Right? I'm feeling that everyone comfortable. Second one, see this one. Second one, you are trying to, it is a zeroth person, first person, second person, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Zeroth person, first one, second one. T of 0, you know very well, even though tuples having function brackets, to access the elements you have to use square bracket. So T of 0 is equal to 43. This one you are trying to change. This one you are trying to change. It will give error. Remember, this will give error. It will give error. You cannot update. You cannot assign values to, right? You cannot try to update the values of the tuple. So remember, it is the error. So that is the reason I am keeping this as a comment. Otherwise this will give error. So be careful. Assignment is not allowed. In the tuple, assignment not allowed. Or modification is not allowed. Or modification is not allowed. So be careful. Assigning a particular value is not allowed. It is not allowed. It is not allowed. Right? So I think I executed also before saying giving this problem. See this one. I tried here. I tried here. See the output what will come. See the output. See. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Tuple object. Tuple object does not support assignment. So this is not supporting assignment. So this is the error. Type error. Type right. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Item assignment it don't support. I will write item assignment. Item assignment not allowed. Modification not allowed. Please be careful. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. So one more tuple I took. Perfect. One more tuple I took. Okay. So print to type of T1. Everyone know because of this is function bracket. So I think type is going to be tuple. That is also okay. Next one, T3 is equal to 1, 2, 3. It is also tuple only. It is also tuple only. Let's see. Print 3 comma type 3. It is also print type tuple only. Tuple type 1. Next one, print 4T3. So I think that will be printed, nothing special. 1, 2, 3 will be printed, nothing special. Now see this one, L is equal to this. Type of L, everyone know it is a list type because of square bracket, list type. Okay, that is also okay. Now observe. Now observe here. Now observe here. T dot index of 95.33. So remember this T is a tuple. This one. This T is a tuple. Remember tuple. This T is a tuple. This T is a tuple in the right. These are related to tuple function. T dot index of 95.33. 95.33, what is the index? 95.33, what is the index? I think 3. 3 will be printed. Next one, printf, print to 7 comma at T dot. So I think numbers also, if you want, you can print numbers also. 6 comma list. For your convenience, I return. This is 5 comma list. This is 6 comma, 6 comma, that one. This is 7 comma. What is that one? Let us see. Count of 76. 76 is how many times? Remember, it is also tuple only. Tuple only. These two are tuple functions. These two are tuple functions. Try to understand. So count of 76. How many times? Two times. Two times. Right? In this problem, three things I want to say to you. Modification not allowed. That is the one thing. Modification not allowed. That is the one thing I want to say to you. That is the one point. Second point, index function will return index. Index of the element. Third one, count function will return. Count will return number of times element present. So these are the three things which I want to say from this problem. These 3 points related to tuple. These 3 points related to tuple. Right? Modification not allowed. That is the reason it is a mutable. It is a immutable. Sorry. It is a immutable. It is a immutable. Index will return index of the element. Index will return index of the element. If element is not there, if you ask it, index, if element not there, if you ask the index, it will give error. You can try also. You can try also. Right. Perfect. I hope everything is fine. I hope everything is fine. Let me know any doubt. Let me know any doubt. So let me check one more small thing. Let me check one more small thing. Right? So I think here, if you observe clearly, so let me check once. If you observe clearly, just give me 2 minutes. Just I want to say one more point. So right, that is perfect. One more point I am giving, just understand. One more point I am giving, just understand. Print, maybe third printf it is. I'm typing index of. I think so many 10s are there. So many 30s also there. So I'm writing 30. Index of 30. What it will do, check. If so many are there, right? So many elements are there. If I say index of 30, what it will come? Let's check. Print for one more printf I'm doing. Count of. I think so many 30s are there. Let me give 30. How many 30s are present? Will it give or not? Let's check. And one more here, error is coming. So let's ignore this. Otherwise, it don't give answers. Now I'm checking the output. Can you see the output of here? Can you see the output? Still any error? Let's see where is the error. So many elements I written. Okay, fine. T also, print T. I think index of. So you have to write the T also here. T dot. It is also here. T dot. Otherwise, there is no meaning. Now let's check. Now let's check. So in the first printf, normal printf, all will be printed. In the first printf, normal printf. All values are printed. So assignment is not allowed, so I made it as comment. Now if you see the print, right, print 2 comma t, I think same thing will be printed, that is not a big deal. So first printf, second printf is not a big deal. First printf, second printf is not a big deal, right? It's not a big deal. Now can you see the third printf? If you see the third printf, if you see the third printf clearly, index of 30, so many 30s are there. 0, 1, 2, I think first place, second place, afterwards so many places 30. So what it is returning to? So it will return first appearance. It will return first appearance. It will return first appearance. Please try to understand. It will return first appearance. Next one, count will count. How many 30s are there? 4 times, right? Remember, this is belongs to tuple. These two functions are belongs to tuple. Now let's check. Careful everyone, careful. One small thing I am doing, everyone careful. One small thing I am doing, only for your convenience I am doing one small thing. I done the same story, total I done the copy paste. Right now, I'm just keeping the function, right? List. This is the list now, right? In the list two, right? It is a list now. It's a list now. T is now list. So now I think because of list changing is possible. I printed. Now t dot index of 30. Let's see what will happen. Same thing whatever I done for the tuple, I done the list also. So what is the effect? What is the effect you can see now? What is the effect you can see now? Actually you cannot do that. Whatever you done for a tuple, I done the same thing. You can see the effect. See this. I think first 1, 2, 3, 4 printfs are first 1, 2, 3, 4 printfs belongs to tuple. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Second 1, 2, 3, 4. What it is printing? Let's see. Second 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you see the second 1, 2, 3, 4? What it is printing? If you see the second 1, 2, 3, 4, I think first list will be printed. See the brackets also square bracket. And second, if you observe, element updated also and printed. See, tuple is immutable, list is mutable. Tuple is mutable. So, see, I'm reading once again. Tuple is immutable, list is mutable. Mutable means change. Tuple is immutable, but list is mutable. List can change. So that is the reason no error came. T0 is equal to 88 modified also. That's okay. Now see the next one. See the third printf, index of 30. I think 2. Count. So what I mean to say is, whatever happening in the tuple, list also happening. The only thing is in the tuple you cannot update. In the tuple you cannot update. In the list you can update. Right? So I think let me check one thing. I'm writing that important point here. See this one. Tuple is note. Careful everyone. Tuple is readable or read only version of list. Tuple is read only version of list. Right? Tuple is immutable. Tuple is read only version of list. And one more thing I want to say to you, these two things possible in the list also. In the list also they are possible. Not only tuple possible, okay. These are possible, list also, tuple also. Right? These are possible in the list also, tuple also. List and tuple possible. Okay, fine. Readable version of tuple is a read only version of list. Tuple is a read-only version of list. Remember. For your convenience, I executed also. I executed. Right? First four people. First four printfs are belongs to. First four people are belongs to tuple. Next four people are belongs to list. I verified. So you are able to see that also. Very good. Very good. Let's move to next problem. I think you done the very decent work. It may look like one problem or many things we covered. We covered many things. Not one, two, we covered many things. Please be careful. We covered many things. Right. Right. Now, one more problem is there. I'm writing. So please be careful. Be careful. Yeah, let's see this. Let's see this one. T is equal to, yeah. Now, can you give answer? What is the answer of this? It's very simple. This is related to tuple. It's very simple. Can you go and give the answer? Can you try? Try to give answer. Try to give answer. Everyone try. Yeah, drinking water is good for health. So that is the reason I'm drinking water. It's not a drink, right? It's a water drinking. But yeah, it's water drinking. Yeah. Reddy sir is a drinker. Yes, Reddy sir is a drinker, water drinker. Reddy sir is a water drinker. Be careful. Now you can see this. Everyone see. Now everyone see this. So it will print ID. Assume that, right? T contain 10, 20, 30. So it will print address 1000. Assume. Then you assign same thing again. You don't create. If already available, this is the Python program, one of the asset. Python programming, one of the asset. One of the advantage of Python is this only. Be careful. What is that one? You don't create again if already exists. So it will reference to it. Same thing. Next one, right? I think what it will print? It will print same 10, 20, 30 will be printed. If you want, you can print the numbers also. Here one will be printed, comma 1000. Here 2, right? I think, yeah, here there is no printf. Sorry for this. Because second one is not a printf. Now see this one. Second one, if you see 2 comma 1000. So this is okay. Two printfs are done. Addresses, if you see, both are same addresses because of same data. Now observe. Now observe third one. Third one. You kept t is equal to. You kept t is equal to. See, individual elements you cannot change. But right, you can reassign. Right, you can t is equal to this. Then when you do this, right, empty set will be there. But remember, because of data is different, it will create separate one. 3 comma 2000 will be printed because of data different, right? Because of data different, it is going to be 3 comma 2000. One more, right? Another copy will be created. In that, this empty set will be there. Now observe here. So once again you assign t is equal to this. Once again you assign t is equal to this, which is the old one. It will check is already existing or not. Yes, existing is there. Already existing is there. Right? When you see this one, it will print 4 comma 1000 will be printed again because this is already there. This is already there. Now see this one. Printf, right? I think 4 comma t is okay. It's a t printing, right? T printing means it will print empty list. T is what? T is what? This T. It will print, right? Let me write now. 4 comma 10, 20, 30 will be printed. Okay, fine. This printf is okay. Now see this. Right? I think because of it's the old one only 10, 20, 30. So it will be printed 1000. Now t is equal to this one, printf 6 comma. Because of it is also old one, same thing will come into the picture because already there. So you will utilize. So what is the answer? 2000. So everyone know this. Everyone know this. The only thing is individual elements you cannot assign. You cannot modify. Remaining all as usual like previous. Remaining all as usual like previous. Remaining all as usual like previous. Okay, fine. Fine. Nothing change here. Same thing means same thing will repeat. Same address. Different means different address. Same thing means same thing will repeat. Same address will repeat. Different means different address will repeat. Different means different address will be repeat. Now, anyone having any issue, let me know. Anyone having any issue, let me know. Please check once. Sir, I have this doubt. I have that doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Right now, let's go to now. Now let's go to one more problem. Let's go to one more problem. T is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Print T. It will print, that's okay. Next one. T dot append. Next one. T dot, so let me print also. Print 2 comma T. Next one. T dot remove 10. Print 3 comma T. So I request everyone, please try what is the output of this program. Remember, same kind of thing we done in the list also. Same kind of thing we done in the list also. In the tuple, what will be the answer of this problem? Can everyone try this? Everyone try Yeah, I hope you tried. I hope you tried. So remember everyone. Remember everyone, right? This problem, I think you tried also. Already list contain, sorry, already tuple contain. Let me use another color. Already tuple contain 10, 20, 30, 40. Already tuple contain this. Already tuple contain this 10, 20, 30, 40. That is the tuple. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, until now fine. So append means it will append at the end, na? It will append at the end. So 10, 20, 30, 40, so it will append at the end. Right? Next one. Remove means, see this one. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Remove 10. 10 will be removed. So after this, right? 20, 30, 40, EPT. Remove means first time, wherever first time happened, it will remove. But remember everyone, this is the story in the list. But what about tuple? This is the story in the list. But tuple, in the tuple, can you do append? In the tuple, can you do remove? In the tuple, can you do append? No. Right? Remove. So let's check if you right because of it is the tuple, right? You cannot update inside things. You cannot update inside things. But if you want, you can check one time. We can check one time. Now see this tuple. So list story, let's remove. List story, let's remove. List story, let me remove. I think if you want, I can do those two lines. Yeah. So let me add these two. You will get the clarity also. I'm adding this. Here itself, I will show both. Here itself, I will show both. It will take 1 minute only. Just check. Just check. T dot append. Append 90. T dot remove. T dot remove 10. Right, these two things, what I will do is I will keep to list. You know very well list it will work. You know very well list it will work. Let's keep to list also. Let's keep to list also. These two things I am keeping to list also. Right? I am keeping to list also. And what I will do is I will do printing also. After doing, I will print. So number also, let me write it is, I think 5. It's 5. It's 5. But here, right, you used already append and remove. Append and remove, if you already used. Append and remove already you used, right? So here also, if you want, you can do print, but the problem is here mostly error will come. Here mostly error will come. If you want, you can check. Anyhow, we have to remove them. So I will try. I will try one by one. I will try one by one. See. Append 90 is the first place where error came. Append 90, right? So, right, append 90, first place error came. So, first 4 printfs printed properly. First 4 printfs are printed properly. Afterwards, append created problem. You may be thinking only append, remove may work. Let's keep this as comment. Now it will say remove also having issue. It will say remove also having issue. So remember everyone, tuple don't support. Tuple don't support because you are changing something internal things. Internal things you are updating because of it is a immutable. Because of it is immutable, it don't support. It don't support. Now execute, you will see the output. No problem at all. See this one. I think fifth printf. Fifth printf after updation. What is the updation? What is the updation? You appended 90 last. Until now last one is 20 na, you appended 90. Okay, and one more thing is remove 10, remove 10. So initially 10 is there here, remove 10. How many tens? I think, see, this 10 will be removed, first 10 will be removed. So I think 0 1 2 3 4 5, fifth place 10 will be removed. 0 1 2 3 4 5, please check, because of two tens side by side na, so this 10 is shifted here, right? This is removed, this 10 will be shifted, so I think it's perfect. So I will write that conclusion also, let me check. See this one, let me check. These two functions, these two will give error here, because tuple is immutable, because of tuple is immutable, right? This will give error because tuple is immutable. But these two don't have issue. These two will work. In list, no issue. In list will work. Please careful. Right? This is wrong. Be careful, everyone. Right? So you may be thinking like this. You may be thinking like this. You may be thinking like this. Because append will append, remove will remove. You may be thinking like this. You may be thinking like this, but actually it will give error. These will give error. These will give error because tuple is immutable. In list will work because it is mutable. Okay, fine. I think, in my opinion, everyone got clarity. Everyone got clarity. I executed also. Please check. Everyone got clarity. I executed also. Please verify. I executed also. Please verify. Right? I think now let me go one by one. Let me go one by one. These are the things. So I want to remind everyone again. Note I am saying, this is the very, very important one. Note, tuple is the read-only version of list. Right? Fine. And that is our first point. Maybe second, append, remove, these two functions, tuple don't work, list will work. Three, count function, index function, right? Work in tuple and list. So we done previous problem. Can you go back and check this one, this problem, right? So tuple also they will work, right? List also they will work. What are those? Index function, count function. These are the conclusions. Right? Append and remove means you are doing some change inside. Inside you are changing, so you don't allow, because inside changes not allowed. Not allowed. Here no changes. Inside no change. Count and index function. Inside no change. Count and index function. Inside no change. Right? Yeah, I feel very happy. Till now everything is perfect. Those people who are watching, right? If you got until now, isn't that you got the full list, all the things, whatever happened till now? Please write in the comment section. Saying that I got list, I got dictionary, I got tuple, right? Whatever topics are done, right? Please write in the comment section. Please write in the comment section. Suppose you have some issue somewhere, please write in the comment section. No issue is there. No issue is there. Right? So please write. So these topics are completed. I don't have any doubt. Any small doubt also in the comment section, you can comment. Right? Now come to the next topic. Come to the next topic. Right now, next topic is, I think, loops. Next topic is loops. Right? I think that is the same thing. Because if I want to do anything big, right, loops required. If I want to do anything big, loops required. So next topic is, I'm writing this. Next topic, I am writing this. Right. Loops. Right. Loops contain while loop, for loop, both will be there. Right. Loops will discuss. Right. Next one is a break keyword will discuss. Loops will discuss. Break also will discuss. Continue also will discuss. These three things will discuss. Loops, break, continue. Right? Most probably while loop and for loop will discuss. Mostly while loop, for loop we will discuss. While loop and for loop. Mostly we will discuss while loop and for loop. Right? Let's take one problem on this. Let's take one problem on this. Start now. It's very easy, but right, one problem I will take. These are major things. Loops are major. From now onwards, everywhere you will see loop. Until now, I didn't use one place also loop. Until now, I didn't use one place also loop. One place also I didn't use loop because loops not done. From now onwards, you will see the loops frequently. So let's check. S is equal to some numbers. 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 17, 161, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Some numbers. And one more thing, it may be tuple. It may be tuple. If you don't want to change inside, tuple okay. If you want to change, you may not change. Some doubt is there. You may change, you may not change. You may change, you may not change. So please be careful. You may change, you may not change. Little doubt also there. Go for list. Clarity came. I don't change. Then go for the tuple. Then go for the tuple. And one more thing is, if you remember carefully, see this one. If you remember carefully, in the list, assignment will be done. In the list, assignment will be done. Assignment is done in the list too. Because of different data, it will create new copy. Because of different data, you changed. Because of different one, right? Remember everyone. You changed it. In the list, you know very well. Because of you done some change, because of something different, it will create new copy. That is the reason. In the tuple, it don't change. It don't change and it don't create the new copy also. Because of that reason, comparing list and tuple, right? List will take more space. Because for every change, new copy created. But here, no change at all. Less space. Space point of view, list is better. Space point of view, list is better. Less space. Right? It is mutable. You can change. It is immutable. Why less space? You don't allow to change inside people. If you allow inside people, one more copy created. But tuple, you don't allow inside people to change. When you don't allow, automatically less space. If anyone asks what is the difference between tuple and list, so I think most probably both will be same. But in the case of the tuple, immutable means you cannot change inside things. List you can change or you may change. It's up to you. Because of that reason, tuple will take less space. Right? List will take more space. Right? Fine. Perfect. Now come here. So I took one tuple. One tuple I took. Next one. C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. Understand once, C is equal to 0. While, careful everyone, while, so I'm discussing about while loop here. I'm discussing now while loop. See the while loop syntax. While some condition will be there. While no bracket, nothing is there. No bracket, nothing. While, see the right condition you have to write here. Suppose in that condition I written C less than 14. C less than 14. Initially C is equal to 0, while C less than 14. Remember, right? While keyword followed by condition, colon should be there. Colon should be there. While first followed by condition, followed by colon will be there. That is okay. Now listen. Now listen everyone. Why, right? So this is called indentation rule. Some rule is there. All while statements should be inside while only. All while statements should be inside while only. Remember here. Suppose assume that this is inside while. You have to keep inside while only. All while statements should be inside while only, because here no bracket is there. In the C language, if I want to say, if I want to say these are the while statement, I will write while. I will write some while, so I will keep bracket here. I will write whatever I want. But here, in the place of bracket, they kept that. So inside while things, all you have to write inside while only. So how? Let's see. So here inside while I am writing. See this one. Print, right? Print C comma S of C. Remember, to access list elements or tuple elements or dictionary elements, how to use square bracket. Please be careful. S of C. Print S of C. That's okay. Next one. If condition. So until now I didn't done conditions also. I'm explaining that also. If condition, if C is equal to 8, if C equal to 8, remember for condition also colon required. For condition also colon required. If this condition is true, so remember everyone, right? Inside if, right? Whatever statements, if this condition true, you want to execute something, right? You want to execute something again here. Indentation means all if statements should be inside if. All if statements should be inside if. So what are those? Let's check. Print C. Okay. Next one, break. Inside while whatever is there, all will be inside while only. So this entire thing is going on inside while only. Please be careful. This entire thing is going on inside if only. Please be careful. Because no brackets are there. You have to take care. While condition colon. All while statements should be inside while. Just see, here some gap. Here some gap. This is here some gap. This is called indentation rule. This is the indentation rule because of lack of bracket. Right? Next one. Right? So see this one. If condition. All if condition. If this is true, you have to execute this inside. These all are part of if. So they should be inside if. Okay, that is also okay. Everyone know this. If anyone don't know, please take care. This is the indentation rule. This is the indentation rule. Right? Now let's check. First what I will do is I don't make a little complex here. First problem should be, let's go normal. In the next problem I will use break and all. Right? So first problem, let's go normal. First problem. So print C comma, right? S of C, that is perfect. Next one, C plus is equal to 4. Okay, that is also okay. Now observe here. These all are going on inside while. Okay. Now when you want to say while is over, right? You have to write outside while. So here until here only while. Please be careful. Now say this one. Print outside C comma, two things you are printing. One is string you are printing, one more C. So this is the problem. This is the problem. So remember, some people are asking, what about this? This entire thing is main program. See this. This entire thing is main program. It is a main program. It is a main program. This is the main program first statement. It is the main program second statement. It is the main program third statement. It is the main program fourth statement. Now inside while, it is the while first statement. It is the while second statement. Lack of bracket, you have to write properly. Otherwise, indentation error will come. Please be careful. Please be careful. Right? Okay. I think everything is fine. Now let's execute. So now from this you have to understand while loop syntax. While condition column, all while things should be written inside while. Okay. You are okay? Now I will execute this. I will execute this. Can you start one by one? It is the 0th person, first person, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh, eighth one, ninth one, 10th one, 11th one, 12th one, 13th one. Okay. Until now everything is fine. Now start now. C is equal to 0 initially. Okay. While 0 less than 14. 0 less than 14. Condition true. If true, execute inside. If true, execute inside. So what is the answer? What is the answer? So first time I am printing, right? Whenever I am running this one, first time, what happened? 0 will be printed. S of 0. S of 0. 0 less than 14. Condition true, na? Go inside. 0 comma S of 0. 0 11 will be printed. Okay. Afterwards, C becomes C plus 4. C became 4 now. So now next condition is right while loop, na? Continue again. 4 less than 14. Condition true. Right, go inside. So 4 will be printed. S of 4, 51 will be printed. S of 4, 51. So again, C is equal to C plus 4. It became 8. So 8 less than 14, condition true. So 8 will be printed. So S of 14, sorry, 8, na? S of 8, 161. That is also done. Next, C is equal to C plus 4. It became 12. It became 12. 12 less than 14, condition true. Go inside. 12 will be printed. S of 12. Right? 12 will be printed. I think S of 12 also 12. Whatever it is. Okay, that is also fine. Now come back again. Now it became 16. Right? Next one. 16 less than 14. Condition is fail. Condition is fail. When condition is fail, condition true, then only go inside. Condition fail. Condition fail. Come out of the while loop. Come out of the while loop. Print outside C is C. So lastly, outside C. Right? What is the C? Outside C. I think it is 16. 16 will be there. So this is the output. I hope everyone fine. I hope everyone fine. Let's check. Let's check same answer. 0, 11, 451, 8, 161, 12, 12. Outside C16. Let me know anyone having any objection. Void condition column. All void statements should be inside while. Inside while. Just to do one right shift, I can say. All while data inside while. Just to do one right shift. Now, when you say while loop is over, I think as usual you can write. As usual you can write. Otherwise, you will face some indentation error. Otherwise, you will face some indentation error. Okay, this is okay. This is okay. I feel this is everyone is comfortable. If you comfortable, we can move to the next problem. Let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Yeah. Let's check. Same problem. Whatever I kept conditions previously, same thing I am writing now. One example can you take? Same kind of problem, small change, small adjustments. Let's check. S is equal to 11, 21, 31. S is equal to 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 17, 161, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Next one, C is equal to 0. While C, so be careful about the syntax. C less than 14, while condition column, okay, inside while all write the while statements, inside while write the all while statements. I am writing here, print C comma S of C, same thing like previous. Next one, if C is equal to 8, remember these are the conditional statements. If C is equal to 8, if condition column, here also column required, if at all this is true, right, if having its own store. Again, all if statements, little bit of one right shift you have to do. One right shift you have to do. All if statements should be inside if. What is the inside if? Let's see. Print C, print C, that is one thing. And afterwards, after printing, just break. Okay, that's fine. If this condition is true, this is the story. If this condition is true, this is the story. Otherwise, you may say, otherwise what? Otherwise continue. Otherwise continue this while loop. So I am writing here. So this is stopped here. I am writing here. See this one. See everyone now. C plus is equal to 4. It is not inside if. It is not inside if. C plus is equal to 4. Right? It's an outside if. Inside if means one position right shift. So you see exactly in the same if line, C plus is equal to 4. Oh, this is under while loop, not part of if. Okay, that is also okay. Let us assume that this is continued. You came out of the while loop. Remember it's a main. Remember this is main. So here I am writing. Print. Remember I am outside the while. Print. Outside while C. Outside while C. So C will be there. So this is the story. So lack of bracket, you should see straight line. But in the editor, no issue. Automatically it will come. In the editor, automatically space will come. In the editor, no problem. But while writing, some problem will come because of lack of brackets. I think everything is fine. This is the way how the programming, I can say syntax kind of thing is working. Right? Now let's execute. What is the output of this program? Please be careful. These are inside if. If condition is fail, come here. If condition true, then only go inside. If otherwise, come outside. So while loop is going on. Whenever while condition is true, then only go inside while. Otherwise, come outside. Remember, at the end of the, let's see this one. While condition column. If condition column. That is the syntax. All while statement inside while. One position right shift. All if statement inside if. One position right shift. Okay, now you can start. It's a 0, it's a 1, it's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. These are the elements. Now you execute. Everyone observe carefully, execute. C value 0. Okay. C value 0. That's perfect. 0 less than 14. C value 0. 0 less than 14. Condition is true. Go inside, print it. So I think 0 printed. S of 0 is 11 also printed. Afterwards, you are checking condition. If C is 8, C is 0. If condition fail, C is equal to C plus 4. C will become 4. If condition true, then only I will go inside. If not true, then come here. C plus is equal to 4, go outside. Right, now once again same story. C value now 4, 4 less than 14. 4 less than 14, condition true, go inside. 4 will be printed. S of 4, 51 also printed. After printing is over, if condition, is C is equal to 8? No. Out of if, so C is equal to C plus 4, it became 8. Be careful now. Now again, while loop is started. 8 less than 14, condition true. Print inside. 8 is there, 14 is there. 8 is there, 14 is there. Right? Until now, everything is fine. 8 there, 14 is there, everything is fine. Now come inside. If C is equal to 8. Now C value 8 only. 8 is equal to 8, condition true. If true, go inside if. Then what it will do? Print C, 8 will be printed, one value only. Afterwards, break. Remember, break in the sense. Remember, everyone, break means, everyone observe. Break means if you are working in one loop, it will come out of the loop. If you are there in one loop, it will come out of the loop. It is executing in the while loop, it will come out of the while loop. So break, it will come out of that. Remember, out of the loop, not out of the function. You are not coming out of the main function, out of the loop. Currently, in which block you are, you will come out of it. I think you are there in the while loop, you will come out of it. Please be careful, you will come out of it. Right now, when you come out of the while loop, so print outside. So let's see this one. Outside while C is equal to 8. At 8 it came out. If it come outside the function, definitely don't print this also. Outside the while it is coming. Wherever break is there, if that break is there in loop, it will come out of that loop. Not out of the function. If you want to come out of the function, you have to use return. If you want to come out of the function, you have to use return. Out of that particular loop, break. Okay? I think if you see the output, let me read the output. 0, 11, 451. I think, let's see this. C is equal to 8. Yeah, first it will print 8 and it's not 14, it's 161. It's a 161. 8th person is 161. First 0, 11, okay. Second one is 451, that is okay. Third one is 8, 161. First printed, then C is equal to 8. Again print C. Then break, come outside. Outside, I think again 8 printed. 2 times 8. 2 times 8 will be printed. 2 times 8 will be printed. First is, I think, before break, one print. Right? After break, one more print. So this will be the output. This will be the output. So the purpose of this one is I want to explain how while loop is going on. How while loop is going on. Can you see one more problem? Can you see one more problem? Further, you will see many complex problems. These are the starting ones. Starting itself, I don't want to trouble you. Let's go. Let's go next. Let's go next. S is equal to 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, 61, 71, 17, 161, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. C equal to 0. C equal to 0. Next one. While C less than 14, column. Next one. Inside if you go, let's see how many inside. Print C comma S of C. Okay. If C equal to 8, so I think inside if, let's see what is that story. Print C. Okay. Arey bhaiya, same thing I am writing here. Let's check any change I can do. C plus is equal to 3. Sorry for this. Here C plus is equal to print. Okay. After print, C plus is equal to 3. Okay. Next, if C is equal to 8, then print and break. Then print and break. That is one thing. Right. Next one. Remember, it's inside while only going on. Be careful. Inside while only going on. Again, if c is equal to 5, remember colon should be there, semicolon. Previously semicolon, now colon will be there. Now again inside this if, what is this? Let's check. Print, go back, afterwards continue. So in this problem I want to explain continue also, nothing there. In this problem I want to explain continue also. Continue. So remember, try to avoid the semicolons and all. Right now, I think that is also completed. That is also completed. So inside while only going on. Inside while only going on. Printf. Do from start. Do loop from start. Okay. So that is also okay. Now outside the while, let's check this. Yeah. Previously brackets, now I think indent, now something else. So print outside while see. So see, this is the story. Every time program having some syntax. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. Now start checking. Now start checking. Go ahead. Now start checking. Right? Right? While people inside while. Main people inside main. Main people inside main. Almost main is sitting here. Almost I can say main is sitting here. Main is sitting here. Main people inside main. While people inside while. If people inside if condition colon. While condition colon. Please be careful. This is called colon. This is called colon. Right? Now you can execute. You can execute. It is a nice problem. Can you check one time? Can you check one time? Continue keyword, and one more thing is going to be break. Name itself saying continue means continue. You may misunderstand what is the meaning of continue. You will see now. Break means break. Inside which loop it is there, it will break it. Now I am executing. Everything is ready. I am executing. C value 0. It is a 0, it's a 1, it's a 2, it's a 3, it's a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on 13. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah, everything ready. So let's execute. Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, perfect. Everything is perfect. Now let's execute. Let's execute now. C value 0. Yes. 0 less than 14. 0 less than 14. Condition true. Go inside. Print 0 print. 0 print. S of 0. 11 also print. Okay, fine. Now C is equal to C plus 3. C value became 3 now. Afterwards, C value 3. 3 is equal to 8. Condition fail. So first if is fail, come to the second if. 3 is equal to 5, that is also fail. Second if also fail. Then as usual, print do loop from start. Print do loop from start. Just go back. So let me write. Print, because you are inside while only, right? Print do loop from start. Right? Print do loop. In the place of from start, print do loop once again. I will change it. Otherwise, you may misunderstand. Print do loop Do while loop. Once again. Do while loop. Once again. Okay, fine. Until now it's okay. One time done, no condition matched. See, this condition not matched. This condition also not matched. So you came here. You came here. So let's see this one. Inside while loop, it may be assumed that this is the first part. This is the second part. Inside the while loop, it is the third part. It is the fourth part. Inside while loop. So one executed, one part. Two fail, three fail, so four executed. So inside while only, na, go once again. Go once again. Remember, C value now 3. C value now 3. See this. 3 less than 14, condition true. Come inside. Print to C comma S of C. C value 3 now. Okay. S of 3, 41. That is also printed. After, I think first part is over. Let's go to second part. C value now 3. But sorry, C value now it became 6. It will update now. After printing, it will update. C is equal to C plus 3. It became 6 now. Be careful. So first part is completed. Can I go to the second part in the inside while loop? Second part. So C value now 6. 6 is equal to 8, fail. So can you go to the third part? 6 is equal to 5. That is also fail. So I think you came to the fourth again. Do while loop once again. Do while loop once again. Okay, that is also done. Once again, go back to while. Once again, go back to while. Now see this one. I think C value now, if you observe 6, right? So 6 less than 14. Condition true. Come inside. Come inside. First print it. 6 comma S of 6. 71 will be printed. Afterwards, C is equal to C plus 3. It became 9. Now, what about the second statement? 9 is equal to 8, fail. 9 is equal to 5, fail. So they never execute, na? They never true. They never true. C value 8, C value 5, they never true. Right? Anyhow, I will execute it. I will execute whatever we have, we are executing. Whatever we have, we are executing. Right? Be careful. Nothing there. So 0, 11 first, then do while loop once again. Afterward, 341 printed. Once again, do loop again. So I think same thing is keep on going. Now this is the correct status. So 671 also printed. C value 6. Now C value 9. Na? Let's come to the 9. Let's come to the 9. So what is the answer? So 671, you came back again. Now it's going to be do while loop again. You came back again. 671. 671. Do while loop once again. Now it's afterwards it became 9. It became 9 now. It became 9 now. Let's see this one. 9 comma S of 9. 15 will be printed. Afterwards it became 12. Right? It became 12. Then what happened? So I think 2 fail, 3 fail. So once again do while loop again. Once again come back. Now it is I think 12. Now it is 12. 12 less than 14, condition is true. Print 12 comma S of 12. 12. Afterwards it became 15. Condition, second condition fail, third condition fail. Do while loop once again. Okay, that's fine. Now come back, come back, come back. Now I think C value 15. 15 less than 14, condition is fail. So out of the while, then you come here. Lastly, you will print outside while. Outside while, C value is 15. Outside while C value 15. Are you okay? Are you okay? Outside while C value is 15. So one time also we didn't execute it. Second one, third one. One time also we didn't execute it. Third one and second one. So to make it simple, assume that, see, same problem. C plus is equal to 3 if I write. C plus is equal to 4 if I modify above program. If I modify this, c plus is equal to 4. Now see what happened. C plus is equal to 4. What happened? So while loop started, C value initially 0. C value initially 0. While loop is started. Then what happened? Right? It will print. Right? Remember, C value initially 0. This is the modification you done. C plus is equal to 4. So C is 0. Yes. First print it. 0 comma S of 0. What is S of 0? 0 comma S of 0. 11 will be printed. Afterwards, C is equal to C plus 4. Then it became 4. After printing is over, after changing is over, then check C is equal to 8 fail. C is equal to 5 fail. Then come to the fourth statement. What is the answer? Do while loop once again. Okay, I am doing. But remember, C value now 4. Now C value and now 4. Now let's say 4 less than 14, condition true, come inside. Then what is the answer? 4 will be printed S of 4. 4 will be printed S of 4, 51. That is also okay. After printing is over, C value will increase to 1 more 4, 8. Now check. After incrementing, now second step. Is 8 is equal to 8? Yes. Is 8 is equal to 8? Yes. Then what is the answer? Print C. So 8 will be printed. 8 is equal to 8. Yes, true. Print C. Then break out of the while loop. Out of the while loop, lastly, outside while C is 8. At 8 you came out. This is the modification. If I write C is equal to C plus 4, this is the story. Suppose if I write modification. If I modify in such a way that, right, in such a way that C value initially 0 only, but I written some way C plus is equal to, let us assume, C is initially assume 2. I written C plus is equal to 3 assume. Then see what will happen. Initially, C value 2 will be printed. S of 2. S of 2. What is S of 2? S of 2, 31. 31 will be printed. 2, 31. Afterwards, C is equal to C plus 3. It became 5. 5. So, printing over, C is equal to C plus 3 also you done. Right? C is equal to C plus 3 also you done. Come inside. Is C is equal to 8? No. Is C is equal to 5? Now see the answer. Is C is equal to 5? Yes, true. Yes, true. Yes, true. Then what is the answer? Print go back. First print go back. Go back. That is okay. Now next one. After printing go back, continue. See, remember, when you say continue, not continue below. You have to continue this. Continue this loop again. That is the meaning. When you say continue, whatever you done till now, that one continue. Go back again. That is the meaning. Whatever you done till now, continue again. That is the meaning. So you go back again. When you go back again, so what is the C value now? 5. 5 less than 14? Yes, condition true. Then go inside. First 5 printed. Okay. S of 5. S of 5. 61 also printed. Okay, that is also okay. Then C is equal to C plus 3. Right? It became 8. C is equal to C plus, then it became 8. After printing, then come here. C is equal to 8. Exactly. Print C. 8 will be printed. After printing, what is the answer? Break. You will come out. Outside while C is 8. So small modification. If I write C is equal to C plus 4 above, this is the output. Check one time. If I write C is equal to C plus 3 only, no change. C is equal to C plus 3 only, no change. But C is equal to 2, keep initially. Initially keep C is equal to 2. Then what happened is, this is the output. Please verify. I hope everyone got it. Yeah. Thanks everyone. Thank you so much. Little doubt also there. Please take one while loop and execute. Hello everyone, my name is Subbaralingam Gutta. I have been guiding students for competitive examinations since 2007. Based on my experience, I would like to share a few suggestions that can make your preparation more effective. I hope you are enjoying these lectures. My sincere request is please complete the entire subject without skipping any lecture. Every lecture is connected. While attending the classes, write your own notes and execute every program that I demonstrate. I strongly believe in that one time writing is equal to 10 times reading. And programming is learned only through practice, right? While doing the story at any point of time, if I am writing the program, you also write, you also do changes whatever you want instead of blindly listening whatever I'm saying, right? You also write the program, you also try whatever you want. So you have to make the notes also, and because of it's a programming, it's better to practice also. If you have any doubts, ask them in the comment section or join our doubt solving group. Our doubt solvers will solve. And you can provide, you can see class notes of these all lectures in the group also. The link of the group will be provided in the description. Please have a right look one time. And not only that, as soon as you complete any subject, right, assignment also please write. Assignment link also we are providing in the description. Lastly, you write the mock tests also, those links also provided. Once you finish the subject, make sure you solve the assignment and then attempt the mock test. That's where real learning will start. We will provide the same quality of teaching, assignments, mock test, and doubt support for each and every subject. Before I conclude, I would like to share one belief that is very close to my heart. I sincerely believe that quality education should be accessible to every talented student. No student should miss quality education because of financial limitations. That's why we have kept most of the courses at exam prep tool affordable so that every deserving student can benefit. Thank you for your support. Stay consistent, trust the process, and keep learning, keep growing.